Finish. This is the answer. Now start number 3. Number 3, so all are same math. So number 3. Number 3 are given minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So first we will express in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is of this form that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first part is finished. So now we will find the values of a. A value is minus 2, b value is 3 and c value is minus 6. So these are the values of a, b, c. Okay. So all are same math. All are same math. Others we will try. Number 4 I will show number 4. Here number 4 given x is equal to 3y. Okay, x equal to 3y. So this we can write x minus 3y. This term transferred to this side is equal to 0. This is of this form. But here third term means constant term is not there. So if we find the value of a, x coefficient is 1, b, y coefficient is minus 3. Since third term constant term is not there, so is equal to 0. So this is the values of a, b and c. If third term is not present, then you will write is equal to 0. So others are same. You will try number 5, 6, 7. Then I will show number 8. Okay, others all are same math. So this is clear, I think. So you start number 8. Number 8. Here given that 5 is equal to 2x. 5 equal to 2x. So here you see one term, y term is missing. Y term is not there. So when we will express that 2x transferred to this side minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. But here one variable means y is missing. But you have to express in that variable minus 2x. Here y variable is missing. So you will write that 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Because you see 0 into y is 0 and 0 plus 5 means again we will get this term. But if any one variable is missing, that variable you should express as 0 into that variable. Here y is missing, so we have to express 0 into y. Okay, so now if we see, if we compare, this is of this form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So now if we find the value of a is minus 2, b value is 0 and c value is 5. Is that clear? Now suppose one example that it is given that 2y minus 3 expressed in this form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And here you see 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 transferred. But here you see variable x is missing. So we will write 0 into x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So you see here x is missing. So we have written that 0 into x. So it is of this form a plus b plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And we can find the value of a, then 0, then b value is 2 and c value is 3. Is that clear? So you'll solve the other math. All are the same. So this exercise is finished. Question number 1 and 2 is finished. Is that clear? So some other examples is given. We will practice. Now here one headlines is given that. Here headlines one given that solution of a linear equation. Linear equation in two variables. In two variables. Okay. Solution of a linear equation. In our previous classes, we have learned how to solve an equation. Means how to find the value. That is the solution. Okay, but a linear equation, how to find the solution? Suppose one example that x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is one linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are the variables. We have to find the solution. Okay, solution means what? For what value of x and y this will be is equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. That is called solution of the linear equation in two variables. For what value of x and y? Okay, this term will be equal to 0. That is called solution. And remember, in a linear equation, there are infinitely many solutions. Not one solution, not two solutions, but a linear equation have infinitely many solutions. Infinite number of solutions are there. This is a note to you. This you have to remember, that a linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Now suppose, for example, if we put here x equal to suppose minus 2, y equal to suppose minus 3, we suppose it. Yeah. Okay, this is the trial and error method. We will consider some values of x and y. Here we will put, in place of x we will put minus 2, in place of y we will put minus 3 and plus 5. We will simplify. Here minus 2 minus 3 plus 5, then here minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So you see the value, for the values of x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 3, we got the value of this term is equal to 0. So if it is 0, then we will say that minus 2 and minus 3 are the solution of this equation. Okay, this is one solution of this equation. Of this equation, one more solution we can find. Suppose x equal to minus 4. Okay, x equal to minus 4, then y equal to suppose minus 1. So if we put in place of x minus 4, in place of y minus 1 plus 5, and here you see minus 5. Okay, minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So this values is 0. So we will say that minus 4 and minus 1 are the solution of this equation. So this is second number solution. Again you see here, if we suppose x equal to minus 5, suppose, then y value suppose 0. Okay, 0. Then here, if we put here minus 5 plus 0 plus 5, also the value of this term is equal to 0. Is that clear? Is the third solution. Now you see, suppose x value is 6. X value is 6. Then y value, suppose y value is minus 11. Okay, x we suppose is 6, y value is minus 11. Now if we put here, we put the value x equal to 6, y equal to minus 11. So therefore x 6, y value minus 11 plus 5. So I got 6 minus 11 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. So here also 0. Okay, here some given example of the solution of the linear equation. So here if you observe that the solution, it may be plus, it may be minus, it may be 0 also. Okay, so solution of a linear equation in two variable, it may be plus, it may be minus, it may be 0 also. This you have to remember. It may be fraction also, it may be root also. Any real number means solution of a linear equation will be the real number. Is that clear? So this is one example. So from here we can find some more solution. More solution. So it is clear that a linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Is that clear? So this is one example. Now you see the page number. Page number here 68, 69. Here so many examples are given about the solutions of linear equation. Okay, so one more example. Suppose find the solution of this equation. So find the solution of the equation. Suppose you have given that 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so if we suppose that 12 will not transfer to this side, directly we can find the solution. Here for some values of x and y, we will simplify, we will put, and we should get is equal to 0. If we not transfer, then also we can find the solution. Here suppose x equal to, suppose we will put 3 and y equal to 0. Okay, now in place of x we put, so 4 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Now suppose 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. You see, right hand side is 12. Here we put the value, we got left hand side the value also 12. So here x equal to 3, y equal to 0, also a solution of this equation. Now suppose we put x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Now if we put here, so 4 into 0 plus 3 into 4. Now 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. So we got the 12, right hand side value is 12. So this x equal to 0, y equal to 4 also is solution of this equation. Is that clear now? So I think you got the idea how to find the solution. We can find 1, 2, 3, 4 infinite number of solution of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so you have to take the idea for what value. Remember that all values, all terms of x and y may not be solution of the equation. Okay, all values will not be the solution. You have to think. Okay, you have to think for what values of x and y should be the solution of this equation. But I think you got the idea about the solution of linear equation. So here page number 68, 69, okay, 70 are given some example to find the solution of linear equation in two variables. Is that clear? So just today I will start the exercise 4.2. 4.2, one math I will solve you. After that next classes I will finish. So exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2, question number 1. Exercise 4.2. Here read the question here given. Which one of the following options is true and why? Here given that the y equal to 3x plus 5. This is a linear equation in two variables. No doubt this equation is not in general form, but two linear equation in two variables. Here it is given that this equation has a unique solution, only two solution, infinitely many solutions. So I have explained already that a linear equation in two variable have infinitely many solution. So third number option is correct, that this equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so not one solution, not two solution, but this equation have infinitely many solutions. So today up to this much. So examples will practice. So next day from question number 2 I will start you. So keep in practice. Okay, so today this much. Thank you.